Hey you guys, welcome back. I am here to do another video. I have some goodies that I picked up at Michael's. You guys, I have not been in Michael's in a minute. And I went in there to go look at the Wonton in a Million new like washi tapes and all that good stuff. I did post them on Instagram already. If you seen that, then you already know what I'm talking about. And then I also picked up another planner, and we'll talk a little bit, just a little bit about planners and stuff like that. So let me show you the goodies that I picked up from Wonton in a Million. I think, is it Wonton in a Million? Is that how you say it? Wonton in a Million, yeah. And so everything was $5. Some of the stuff, they only had a sticker pack with like one sheet of stickers. I wasn't trying to pick that up for $5. But her stuff is so cute that I could not pass it up. And I just think all of this is adorable. So this one is a sticker book with 352 stickers. And it's all like this. So adorable. Look at that. Look at all that gold. And them cute little characters. Love it. So it is planner stuff in here. Look at that. Look at that. Got the little boba tea. This is so cute. So look at them. So I had to pick this one up. Got that one. Here is one for weekly sticker kit. And I think this one was the one that was mainly in referencing like working out and stuff like that. So this is going to be something that I use in my planner to keep track of stuff like that. Meal plans. What does that say? Hustle for that muscle. So cute. Now these books are adorable. Oh my goodness. So there's all kind of different things in here. Look at that. So cute. Soar today, strong tomorrow. So this was also, like I said, everything was $5. I'm not going to keep repeating that. And sweet kawaii design, yeah. So I picked up those two. Here is another book. That one had, did it say on the front? This one had, the workout one had 188 stickers in there. This one has 359. Look at them. Aren't those adorable? I love the colors. Don't talk to me until I've had my coffee. And I love that they put little brown girls on here as well. I really like that. And then this sheet. And there's a lot of different sheets in here. Look at that. Adorable. I love those milk cartons. I just love little cute stuff like that. I think it's so adorable. And then you got the sushi that you can write on in your planner. So that book. And I think I picked up one more book, and then I'll show you the washi tape. Here's another one, kind of similar to the first one, but just a little different. Planning time. Days of the week. Washi Wednesday. So cute. So yeah, when I went into the store, they had literally just put this set out. So I definitely wanted to take a look at it. And then some of the washi tape that I picked up looks like this. Really cute. And so this one you get 3 rolls. What I can say is it doesn't look like it's a whole lot on the roll, but for 3 rolls with this cute pattern on it for $5, I think that that's a good deal. So I picked up that one. This one is my favorite with the cute macaroons. Look at those. So cute. So this one you get 4 rolls in here. So I got that one. And was there one more? Yeah, this one. And it kind of looks like they have like a, come on, focus. Let me see if this will focus. There it is. And then the cute little ninja characters. And then it has the like cherry blossom trees with the little ninjas. And the gold flower foiling flowers right there. So I also grabbed that set. And then I picked up these stickers. I love like these little cutout stickers like this. And so you don't really get to see what's in here, but I know that they're all adorable. I'm pretty sure that they're all cute. probably a lot of what you see in these books right here, but just separate stickers. And how many is in here? 37 stickers, and these were also $5. And the last, no, that was it for that style, for the Wonton and a Million. Then I picked up this set just because I thought it was really pretty, and this would be perfect in my planner for laundry day or when I need to wash clothes. It says do your chores up here, and I just really love this clothes on the line right here. This was by, what does that say? Designs, K-A-D. I had never seen this oh, Chrissy Ann. Sorry, Chrissy Ann Designs. I had never seen this at Michael's, but then again, like I said, I haven't been in there looking for planner stuff in a long time. So I can't even remember how much this was. I think it was like $4 or something. But I picked that up, and the only clearance item that I got was these because they are just too cute. Couldn't pass them up. Foam stickers, and I'll save these for next year because they are super, super cute, and they have glitter all on them. Really cute. So I picked those up. And then, so usually in the past, we'll get into this planner stuff real quick. Usually in the past, I have so many different planners that I've used. I usually like to go with the smaller style like this. This is the one that I currently use for a lot of stuff. It's my personal one. So I keep this one in my purse. So I usually use this one. And this was like, I wasn't really a big fan of the spiral because you can't take the pages out and decorate them or anything. And I kind of fell off with decorating my planner. I just write in it as I go. So this was one that I used. And then I used, a lot of times I use the Happy Planner. This one I will be using as well. And it says Mom Life on it. And this one was sent to me in frame mail from one of my YT sisters, who I will link down below. I'll link her channel in the description box. She does planner stuff on her channel, and she decorates her planner and everything. In case you guys want to see that, she does really, really good. But she sent me this in frame mail for 2019, and so I plan on using this one going forward. This is Mom Life, so I'll be using this one in my purse as well as the one that I usually use. One will be for my everyday, you know, with the kids, appointments and stuff like that. And then this one I usually use like for my YouTube ideas and Poshmark and stuff. You know, like I just have so many different things that I do. So I'll be using those. And then this time around, which I have never bought a planner this big before. I've never used a planner this big. And this is the 8.5 by 11 Happy Planner, or Create 365, the Happy Planner. So I went ahead and picked this up because it's normally $35. It says Get It Girl. It's normally like $35, but it was on clearance for, what was it? Like 14 bucks. And so I think what I'm going to do is, I know I've been asked to do more planner videos to show how I decorated and everything. I might start back. If I do videos, then you guys will see those. But if not, once I decorate it, I'll just post it back on Instagram. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet. Because sometimes I fall off and I forget to decorate for a week or something. But I plan on using this big planner at home. I'm going to keep it on my work desk, and I'm going to use this for everything. Because a lot of times when I'm just sitting down at the desk, I usually like to just jot stuff down. And instead of me running to my purse to go grab these two out, I plan on keeping the same kind of information in this big one and decorating this one. I think this one would be a lot more fun to decorate because the pages are bigger and I can put more stuff in here, more washi tape. I have tons of washi tape. So I plan on, it's still sealed shut. I just bought it. And so that's my plan for this new year, is to use this bigger one. And like I said, if you guys, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see planner videos like I used to do, where I used to show you guys before the pen. So after I decorated, I would just show you without anything written in it. I'm not big on showing all my personal information, like once I write in it, like what I did, where I was at, what bill need to be paid. Pooh Bear. What bills did I pay? All of that stuff. So I usually show you before the pen. If you guys want to see that, then leave it down in the comment section and let me know. If not, I'll just show me decorating it on Instagram or something like that. But that is it. That's my planner talk for the year. I'll still continue to use this one. I'm going to start incorporating this one. Don't forget to go check out my YT Sisters channel, which will be down in the description box, who sent me this. And yeah, so I did pick up 2 more things from the 99-cent store. They're not Michael's related, but I will be putting these in the big planner in this one. So I think I'm gonna put this one in there. I don't know. So when I need to write little notes or something, this will be in there already. But I haven't figured that out yet. But I did pick these up at the 99-cent store. It's a cute little stationery set, little sticky notes and a pen. And this one said, "You want a pizza me?" I thought that was cute. So yeah. And that is it for my Michael's haul, everybody. I just quickly wanted to talk to you and show you these goodies. So thank you all for watching. And don't forget, let me know what you think down in the comment section. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Who is that? Let me see. Let me see. That's your Pooh Bear. You guys, this is who he carries around all day, every day. This is Pooh Bear number 2. This is baby Pooh Bear.
Baby brother.
That's your baby brother. So we call him Pooh Bear, and this is the real Pooh Bear right here too. So he I don't know if you saw that, he snuck it in the camera. He wanted y'all to see. So bye from both Pooh Bears. Say bye.
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 And I'm the real Pooh Bear too.
You the real Pooh Bear? Bye, you guys.